Hey golfers, it's just a little bit of a heads up, but spring golf season is coming in hot. And we've got one of the best listings on the golf course located in Dalton Ranch for sale. Let's go take a tour. Welcome to Dalton Ranch, Durango's premier golf course community, and actually one of our first homes was in a cute little townhome right behind me. Dalton Ranch is a great area because it features an 18-hole fairway course that was designed and built by the architect Ken Dye. It also has a great restaurant, which is beautiful to enjoy in the evenings and the afternoons. Members also get a pool, a gym, and tennis and pickleball courts. What is better here? Not much. But in the Dalton Ranch area, there's a lot of micro subdivisions. So you've got West Dalton, North Dalton, South Dalton, Trimble Crossing, Red Rocks, the Cove, and it just kind of goes on and on. But what we love about living here are these beautiful views, and I am also a huge fan for PJ's Gourmet Market. Let's go check out all these little subdivisions. Starting off in North Dalton, you're gonna find one of the area's largest lot parcels and bigger homes with mature landscaping, and almost all the lots in North Dalton feature a walkout first-class row to the golf course. The Cottonwood townhomes present a great lock and leave option, as well as another set of townhomes that we're gonna tour next. These are perfect if you just wanna have somewhere where you can come and enjoy the summer, something that you don't have to worry about a bunch of maintenance, and that are also centrally located near the golf course. The townhomes in Dalton Ranch are perfect for those that just want simple living and amazing scenery. If you're somebody that has dreams and admirations of being able to own new construction, we also have some matches at West Dalton Ranch, which is the newest subdivision in the area. In an historic turn of events, the Cove is now one of the newer, more established areas of Dalton Ranch. The county approval in order to get the subdivision passed took many, many years. At one point, you could actually buy a lot in the Cove for only $45,000. Today, you will find some of Durango's premier homes, though, in this subdivision. A big draw for families that are moving to the area is Animas Valley Elementary School. It's just a hop skip away from most of these homes in these subdivisions. We're gonna end the tour today at Trimble Crossing. This area focuses primarily on townhomes and smaller floor plans, as well as great little meetup areas so you can really get community focused. It's also just a hop and a skip to PJ's Gourmet Market and a liquor store. Living in Dalton Ranch is full of so many great amenities, from the golf course to the clubhouse to the gym, but also it's just a perfect location if you want to jet up to Purgatory, go into town, soak in the hot springs, get your kids in a great school at Animas Elementary. Whatever your desires are, you can find them at Dalton Ranch.